welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update. So we'll see two different job updates. So the first thing is L&T Technology is hiring, and the job role is software engineer, and the salary or the CTC it is 4.7 plus LPA, so 4.7 or more than that, so based on your interview performance. And the batch eligible it is for 2020 or 2021 or 2022 or 2023. So these 4 batches are eligible to apply, and the experience it is for freshers, and the work location it is Chennai, and it is work from office. So then coming to the second company, it is Mastercard, and the job role they are hiring it is for software development engineer, and the salary or the CTC it is 11 to 19 lakhs per annum, and the work location it is Pune. So we shall see one by one how to apply and the complete job details. So the first thing is the L&T. So for L&T, the skills which are needed for this particular job role, so you need to have knowledge of HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap. So you need to have front-end knowledge, and it is good to have knowledge of Angular, and then Python plus Django is preferred, or even the Python plus Flask for backend, or you need to have PHP with Laravel or Coordinator framework. So any of this is preferred, and you need to have knowledge of databases like MySQL, and also knowledge of Linux and Power BI. So these are the skills which are needed for L&T Technology Services. And the selection process are, so there are 3 different rounds. So first thing is online application submission, and then next round will be the online test, which consists of aptitude test as well as technical test, and the third will be the technical interview, and which will be followed by HR interview. So here you can see apply now, so you can just click on apply now, and like you can see, first step is you need to create an account. So for applying, so here you can see you can just create account, or if you already have the account, so you can directly sign in and you can just fill all the details. So you can enter all your basic details, your education details, then you can just upload the updated resume. So do mention the front-end skills like HTML, CSS, any of the framework, and even backend with any of the framework you can mention and submit the application form. Then we shall see the next company, that is Mastercard. So the skills needed for Mastercard is you need to have knowledge of Java programming, Selenium WebDriver, RESTful services, JSON and XML is preferred, and you need to have knowledge of JUnit testing, then Git version control such as Bitbucket, and experience with Linux as well as shell scripting, and knowledge of agile methodology. And if you have exposure to any of the cloud technology, AWS services, and also it will be an added advantage. And lastly, you need to have knowledge of SQL. So these are the skills which are needed for Mastercard. So you can see here apply now, so you can just click on apply now. Then after that, so you can just start your application and fill all the details. So you can see here we have these many steps like my information, my experience, voluntary disclosures, and review. So first step is you need to upload your updated resume. So do mention the Java skills and SQL skills, and if you have any Linux skills, so do add that. So in my information you need to fill your location, your first name, your family name, so your address details like the city, postal code, email address, and your phone number details, everything. So you can just agree these terms and click on next. And later you need to mention your experience if you have done any of the internship, so do add that. And voluntary disclosures, like there will be some questions, you can answer accordingly, and you can just review your form and submit the application form. So the link for both of these companies, so it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.